Okay, Immersive Reader inside of Word. A couple ways that you can accomplish this inside of the app, and then we'll show you the Word on the web version too. If you come up to the View tab over here, though, you will see Immersive Reader pop up as one of your options, and then it just looks a little bit different on this particular one, but I can line focus if I need to. I can change my column, I can change my page color, I can do syllables like I can on my other one, and then of course it's going to read it aloud
onto almost all of the O3.
just like I would in that. If you're interested in a more simplified version of that inside of the app, though, too, you can also come to the review section, and this will just read aloud for you without any of those options that you're talking about necessarily. It's not the same thing as Immersive Reader per se, but it's basically going to have the same type of function where it's going to read it aloud for you. On the web, however, though, underneath the View tab, though, as well, you will have the Immersive Reader icon over here. You will click on it, and then it will pop up in your familiar looking Immersive Reader screen that you're probably used to, and then it also has your options available over here. If you want to change whatever color the background is, if you want to look at this again. The other thing that's kind of fun to point out here that I didn't in the Teams video is it does have a picture dictionary. So on certain words, if I click on them, it will show you a picture of what that word might mean. And so if I come down to nice, it will show you a couple examples of people being nice in there. But just another great way for your students to become better readers by using this tool.